Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to share our Kick code. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done it, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to share our Kick code. At the top right, you can see a profile picture icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys click on it, this page will open up, and from here, as you guys can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button just below your account, that is your Kick code. Click on it, and this is it guys. This is your Kick code. Now all you guys have to do is share it with your friend, and as such, once he or she has scanned it, you will be able to chat with them on Kick. And guys, that is it. That's how we share your Kick code. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.